Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I do lots of computer tutorials as well as unboxing. If that is something you would like to see, go ahead and subscribe. Leave a thumb up on this video as well as share it to your friends. With all that said, let's get on with this tutorial how to reset forgotten password in Windows 11. First things first, I do recommend you should have a bootable USB Windows 11 or 10 available. So it would get you into the Windows setup for sure. The main purpose of this video is that you want to switch the accessibility into command prompt function. So you can use command prompt to reset your password. Therefore, you have to rename Utilman to Utilman 1 and CMD to Utilman, which are located in System 32. Please be patient with me and follow this video to the end. Click on Restart button your computer. Once your computer is being restarting, in BIOS, select Bootable USB first. Then, select F10 to save and exit. Quickly insert your bootable USB Windows 11 or 10 into your computer's USB port. Make sure press and hold down the Enter key until you get into Windows setup screen. Press Shift and F10 at the same time to get into command. You know why I use disk part? Because I want to find out where is my Windows and System 32 files. If I knew it before, I would not use disk part. I enter list volume to list my drives and devices. Then now I know it is my E drive. You know why it was E drive? Because it has 583 gigabytes and it was a larger file. Once I know it was E drive, I enter exit, get to out of disk part, because I don't need it anymore. I use CD command to help me to get into Windows folder and System 32 folder as well. Now, I am going to show you how to copy, delete and rename Utilman and CMD. It is not difficult. Watch it carefully. Copy or rename or delete command. I did type incorrectly. During deletion of Utilman, it has an error. You see, make sure you type slow and correct. Once type NetBLIS and press Enter key. User account will pop up. Select user that you want to reset password. Click on Reset Password. Congratulations, you did it. You can use NetBLIS or control user passwords too. Either of them to reset your password. Now you can try to log on your computer. Make sure you can rename Utilman to CMD back where it was. And also rename Utilman 1 to Utilman where it was as well. Be careful. You may get a message. Access is denied. Don't worry. You can do rename Utilman and CMD by repeating these steps from the beginning of this video. Or else, you can grant access user to a folder system 32. It is very easy to do. I will make a video for that soon. Stay tuned and subscribe. You also need to delete cmd1.exe in your system 32 folder, don't forget it. Thank you for watching.